Hey, welcome to EZETech.
I am installing the motherboard to the chassis, and for ATX board, you have 9 screws that go into the standoffs. The standoffs are what holds the motherboard into the chassis. The case we have here is a Leon Lee Evo Dynamic 011 XL, and they're really pretty and most importantly incredibly versatile custom PC builds. What I really like about this case is that you can take out the motherboard tray for an easier installation. This is definitely one of my favorite towers to work with, and I'm excited to get everything installed.